Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com. And on my chart is cable, the Great Britain US dollar chart on the 4-hour charts. And I want to show you an engulfing candles. And there are actually two engulfing candles here, which would have been losing trades for the Forex trader who trades engulfing candles. The first one here is the bearish candle, and you can see it here. And this candle here is an engulfing candle, and they would have entered coming down on a downward trend, and would have entered into the trade here at the close. Would have entered and then would have retraced and went in for a loss. Now, as a Forex naked price action trader, we don't trade these types of candles, and if we would have traded them, we would have used stop orders, and so we would not have been caught in this particular trade. What you want to do is look at the next candle, which is also an engulfing candle. It is not a big shadow, and those who trade the big shadow or understand how to trade the big shadow would have not traded this particular trade as well, because it doesn't fit the characteristics. It has a higher high than the previous candle. It has a lower low on the previous candle. It did print up on the zone. However, it is not the largest candle in the last 6 to 10 candles, and therefore a disqualifier for the big shadow trade. Again, this is the reason why we don't trade engulfing candles. They are not high probability trades. They are trades which will most likely get you into losing trades. If you want to learn how to trade the big shadow trade, you should, if you want to learn how to trade high probability trades, you should be trading the big shadow versus the engulfing candle. I'm going to go and run through the chart and show you a big shadow trade. Here's a big shadow trade here. It looks like an engulfing candle, but it is not the engulfing candle. This candle here fits the characteristics of a big shadow trade, and you can see it has a higher high than the previous candle, a lower low than the previous candle. It is the largest candle in the last 6 to 10 candles. It printed up on a zone, and then you can see where this trade actually went up. Actually, this trade is still going from the entry point. Let's put the entry point down here. This trade is still going more than 516 pips thus far, and still moving. It's just still moving. So it caught you in a great downward trend trade. That is a big shadow candle. Again, for those who want to trade the big shadow, learn how to trade the big shadow, you can simply go to this link. Follow this link and it will take you to the Big Shadow course. It is a professionally designed course made by myself for those who wish to trade on a professional level, high probability trades. With that said, I hope you guys got a good preview on why not to trade engulfing candles and why the big shadow trade is in fact a better high probability Forex naked price action trade for you. With that said, you guys have a magnificent day, and talk with you soon.